In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hostinger File Manager for 2025, the essential tool for managing your website's files via the Hostinger cPanel. First, let's start by navigating to Hostinger's main website. Once there, you'll want to log into your account to access your control panel, known as Cpanel. Once you're on your Cpanel dashboard, you can easily manage your website by clicking on the Websites section. Here you'll find all your domains and hosting plans listed. Next, proceed to click on Dashboard for the specific website you're managing. If you do not immediately see the File Manager option, don't worry, you might need to take a quick detour. It's possible that File Manager isn't prominently displayed. In this case, go to Check Roadmap to search for its availability. Simply type in File in the search field to locate the File Manager application. This search will typically bring you to Web Hosting, where you can further refine your search or see the most current version of the File Manager. Now, let's discuss accessing the File Manager. For users who want to dive straight in, all you have to do is navigate through your website management menu, make sure to locate the Files tab, and then click on File Manager. Remember, the File Manager isn't available for those using Hostinger Website Builder and Hostinger Horizons. Once in the File Manager, you'll notice the user-friendly interface, which is split into three sections: the sidebar, the file management area, and the top menu. The sidebar is especially useful as it allows you to quickly access your files, create new folders or files, or even check your storage space usage. Here you'll also find settings for configuring the file manager, including changing the display language or logging out when you're done. The center of the interface is your file management area, which shows all the files and folders in your current directory. You can right-click on any file or folder for options like renaming, copying, moving, or deleting. Editing files is also straightforward with Hostinger's built-in text editor. This feature allows you to modify files directly on the server without the need to download them. The text editor is equipped with a syntax highlight, making it easier to spot errors and code efficiently. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to navigate and use Hostinger's File Manager. It's a powerful tool that simplifies file management on your website, allowing you to customize and control all your web files with ease. By following the steps outlined, you'll be managing your files like a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy the ease that comes with using Hostinger's File Manager.